Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 13 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. First thing I want to point out is the white gel coat with the light blue option in the back. It does have the chrome graphics on here as well. We did option the boat with a bimini top. It does have a 40 horsepower Mercury on the back of it. Right here we do have the swim platform. It has the 4-tier ladder. It makes it very easy to get in and out of the boat. This boat does have a 6.5 gallon fuel tank in here, gets you plenty of distance to go wherever you'd like. It's very straightforward on the helm as well. So you have your RPM gauge and a switch for your lights right there. Pretty much bare minimum. If you guys want, we can add a depth finder and navigation system as well. There is a lockable glove box in the front of that. And then up here we do have anchor storage as well. This boat was optioned also with a trailer, so it can get you wherever you need to go. And it's the Unsinkable Legend by Boston Whaler. So you guys come by and see us. This is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston.